Supplier Purchase Orders Report. From Supplier Purchase Orders Report, you can view what are the purchase orders and status of the purchase order. You can access this report from Suppliers, Reports, Supplier Purchase Orders. From date range, you can select monthly, quarterly, yearly, month to date, quarter to date, year to date, life to date, custom to date, last month, last quarter, last year. If you select custom date, you can select specific date range. If you select all, system will display all date range supplier purchase orders. You can select a supplier. You can select range of suppliers, or if you don't select in supplier, system will display all suppliers transactions. You can select particular supplier category. You can select range of supplier categories. If you don't select in supplier category, system will display all supplier category purchase orders. You can select active, inactive, or both suppliers. From document status, you can select confirmed, cancelled, pending, overdue, invoiced, or all purchase orders. If you check Use Foreign Currency checkbox, system will display transactions in supplier's currency. Hit View Report button. From this report, you can view supplier purchase orders. You can view purchase order date, delivery date, purchase order number, supplier name, exclusive amount, VAT amount, total amount, and status of the purchase order. By clicking this transaction, you can view the original purchase order. You can export this report to PDF, Excel, and CSV. If you want, you can print or email this report.